Holy gopher holes, Batman. What has happened to our field? Well, in a nutshell, the gophers, pocket gophers, have gotten out of control, overpopulated, and they are raising mounds that we need to take care of, get a hold of this. Unfortunately, we're down near the river where we can't use the gopher machine, so it all has to be done manually. In this video, I'm going to show you how I solve this problem, which is labor intensive compared to using a gopher machine, but it is effective. So first off, let's head over to the tire drag and take a look at that. Let's look at the equipment that we're going to use to clean up this mess. For those who haven't been here before, I'm Steve. Thanks for joining me here at Kettle Haven Ranch. Below me is a tire drag, and one of probably the most useful things that I've got out of my career, 20-year career in the U.S. Border Patrol. This is used on the southern border to wipe out foot sign of smugglers and illegals crossing sand, sandy roads and sandy areas. So, man, oh man, I love it. Absolutely love this design. I made one for here at the ranch. This is a super cheap and easy implement that you can make the tow behind your tractor on your ranch. And I use this for so many different things. I really love it. I use it to knock down the molehills like we're going to be doing, the mole and gopher hills. It's fast, easy. And when I get to those monster molehills, I can use the box scraper to knock the top off at first, making the tires do their job, following right up behind it and spreading that out even more. And I use it for reconditioning the pasture, getting the manure piles spread out. I use it also on dry matter to break it down so that it can break down into the soil on a fallow field easier. And I use it for bedding my seed. If I've sprayed seed with the seed spreader as opposed to the drill, then I can go ahead and run this over the top of it. It helps get it bedded into the ground just a little bit, at least on a bare field. Let's go ahead and do a quick pass for the camera. You can see the first pass I'm making, I went ahead and kept the box scraper up. So the tires really, on the bigger mounds, don't do much. We'll turn around here and come back through. At that point, you can see with the box scraper down, helping break it up, and then the tire drag behind it, how nice and smooth it is. We have no mounds left, and that's what we're looking for. So I'm going to finish the field, and we'll come back and do a follow-up at the end. This is looking down the field after I've gone ahead and worked it. And you can see the mounds are gone. There's tufts of grass here and there. That's the cheatgrass that comes up. It has such short roots, it can't hold against the tires. That's fine, we don't want it anyway. But the big mounds are gone. It's smoother, and more importantly, the dirt has been spread out. By spreading out these big piles of dirt from their mounds and spreading it loosely over the top of the existing grass or hay or alfalfa, it makes it easier for the grass to grow around that area. Because remember, all we're looking at is a little, on the pocket gopher, is a little hole. That's all that's doing. All this dirt that's come up is from them excavating underneath the hole. And so we open this back up, it won't be choked out, and those grasses will be able to reestablish themselves. Okay, well, I've got a ton of work to do, and quite honestly, dragging the camera around is a pain in the butt. But I hope you enjoy the content. If you do, give me a big favor and give it a thumbs up. If you have any other ideas or a better way to do it, please let me know in the comments. And as usual, share with your friends that might find this something they're interested in. Take care. Stay safe.